Hello guys, in this video we will see how to rename a table in MySQL Server on Windows and Linux environments. First we will see on Windows environment by using Workbench and MySQL shell. Okay, I have opened MySQL Workbench, then click on, then connect to the MySQL Server. Provide the password. See, I have these four schemas, so expand this Shakila database or schema. Suppose if I want to rename this customer to customers, then right click and click on alter table. Alter table is the command which is used to rename a table in MySQL. Click on it, then provide the S, then provide new name. I have just given the S at the end, then click on apply. See here, click on apply. See, this is the command. Okay, click on again apply. It is success. Click on finish. See, the name has been changed. Again, if you want to revert, remove S, then click on apply. Confirmation, click on apply. See, the name has been changed. Click on finish. This is the one way. The second method is select the schema, click on this SQL, then give the alter table. Here table name is customer, rename to customers. It is better to give database name or schema name at the starting. Then here also select this text and click on this execute button. See, it has been changed to customers, but still it is showing customer. Right click on tables and click on refresh all. See, the table name has been changed to customers. So until now we have seen in Workbench on Windows. You can also change by going to MySQL shell. Start applications, MySQL, go to MySQL folder, expand it, click on MySQL shell. Here also we can run. The second, rename a table on Linux environment or Linux operating system. Let's connect to Linux machine. The commands are same on all Linux distributions. Let's open terminal, connect to MySQL. Show databases. See, I have R2 schools. Let's connect to R2 schools database. Show tables in this database. See, I have two tables, EMP and student. Let me rename this EMP table to employees. So alter, so command is same, alter table EMP rename to employees. Put the semicolon at the end and hit enter. It is success. Again verify, show tables. See, before table name was EMP, now it has been renamed to employees. So in this video we have seen how to rename a table in MySQL Server on Windows and Linux operating systems. For more MySQL videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.